This PowerPoint will discuss the pharmacy app and text messaging services. An overview of the pharmacy app. The pharmacy app is a patient portal for prescription management and messaging. The app is integrated with McKesson. There's also patient experience and auto enrollment links available on the app. The app is able to create customizable banners for targeted messages for patients when they log in. Overall, the app is available for modern user experience. Here are some features for the mobile app. Patients are able to view their drug profiles, manage personal and family accounts for children up to 18, configure reminders such as email, text, push notifications, transfer a prescription, view their doctors, and find a Nebraska Medicine pharmacy location. Let's talk about the benefits of the pharmacy app. Some benefits for our patients are the app has features for refill reminders and ordering. Prescriptions are able to be set up for dose reminders, so patients receive a message when it's time to take a medication to help with compliance and therapy. The app has an option for virtual tax statements, so patients are able to log in at any time and print out an expense report. The app is also able to send notifications to patients when a prescription is out of refills. Also, help with compliance and help maintain the therapy without any delays. The app has options for patients to choose pickup or delivery when refilling a prescription. Some of the perks for us. By setting patients up with a platform for prescription management, we're help supporting these patients in the healing I teach value. With the increased compliance, patients will need to refill their medications, which will help support the volumes transitioned over to the hub. And we'll also have fewer incoming calls because patients will be able to take care of their prescription needs virtually. The Nebraska Medicine Pharmacy app is available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Search Nebraska Medicine Pharmacy and look for our logo. Let's watch this video of how to request a refill through the app. Patient logs in, selects refill from list. They can do a Face ID to log in or enter their email. A list of the prescriptions pull up here. Select the one that you'd like. And it has all the details. When selecting order refill, it comes to the next screen to choose if you want to in-store pickup or if you'd like the prescription mailed. You can choose pickup as soon as possible or next day. To find the store that you'd like to pick it up, you can type in Omaha, you can type in the zip code, and all Nebraska Medicine Pharmacy locations will pull up on this screen. Select the location that you'd like. To add another prescription to your order, select the plus sign in the top corner and select the other medications you'd like to refill. Once you have the prescriptions all selected, select Submit. And the next screen shows that everything has been submitted and when the orders will be ready. There's also a web version of the app. This can be found at the nebraskamed.com/pharmacy webpage. Scroll to the middle of the page and you see that order a refill and more online. Clicking that box will take you to this other screen where there's a username and password that a patient is able to enter in. As you can see in the middle of the screen where it says vaccinations and immunizations are available, that's the banner that was discussed earlier. Those messages can be customizable and changed with promotional needs. Setting up reminders in the app and on the website. With reminders configured, patients can decide how and the frequency to receive their notifications. We have a website view, which shows how many days before a refill is due that you'll receive medications, the reminders, the time, and how many times you'll be reminded. That is also available through the app. Let's transition to pharmacy text messaging services. Here are some benefits. The benefits to our patients when they are enrolled in text messaging through our pharmacy is when a prescription has been filled, we send a message to the patient and the copay amount is listed on the text message. There are real-time prescription status updates, such as we filled your medication is ready, your medication's out of stock, but we're able to send those real-time status updates. Another benefit for our patients is the refill process is very quick. Some perks for us. We have some on-demand notifications that we can send to patients enrolled in text messaging, such as, we'd like to verify your address, please give us a call. We only have partial of your medication. We'll have the rest on the next date. We're also able to customize these on-demand messages. If there's a need that we see in the pharmacy, we're able to create a message that we have the option to send to patients as needed. Another perk for patients enrolled in text messaging is we have less inbound calls and we create less outbound calls. We have the ability to use virtual platforms to send outbound messages instead of making a phone call. And patients can refill their prescriptions through a text message, which eliminates the need for them to call to make that refill. Setting up patients with text messaging. Here's a few screenshots with the processes on this slide and the next, and then there'll be a short video to walk you through. Let's watch the video. For enrolling a patient in text messaging, select the search bar and type the patient name. Select the correct patient. And now you've entered their profile. Under phone numbers, enter a cell phone number for them. And select save. Go to the preferred contact and select the phone number you just entered. Save your changes. Go into the clinical programs tab up at the top. And scroll to program enrollment. Scroll down. Select patient communications and select enroll. Look at the communication method, text message, and select the phone number that you entered. On-demand messages, change that to text message as well. So patients are able to receive a text message through any on-demand message that we send. Once all the settings are configured, select enroll. And the patient is now enrolled in text messaging. They will receive a text message on the side that says, "Thank you for enrolling." Here's what it looks like when a patient is enrolled in text messaging and one of their medications is due for a refill. There's a text that's sent. It's time to fill this medication at this pharmacy. Reply 1 to fill or 9 to stop. The patient can then reply 1 and then they get the refill in progress message. Very simple for patients to refill their medications through a text message. Text messaging also works with automatic refill. If a patient is enrolled in automatic refill, a text message will be sent to set up future fills with this pre-fill feature. Patients can easily reply to a text to refill their medications. As you can see on the text, it says, "We're planning ahead to fill your prescriptions on Monday, August 7th. To make any changes, you can click a link below." And that link will be provided in the text message if anything needs to be adjusted for the patient. Again, this feature helps with compliance on medication and also maintain therapy and volumes for our pharmacy. Here are some updates and enhancements that have been in process and implemented over the last year. Address verification when patients select shipment at the time of refill. There's also shipment tracking information that the patient's able to review to see where their prescription is in the shipment process. There's one chart integration for patients to be able to log in to their MyChart, select pharmacy, and use all the app features under that one umbrella. As mentioned, there's app and website banner promotions. And we also have text notification enhancements. We're able to send messages to patients who may have been missed or declined text messaging on accident in the past to see if they'd like to re-enroll. We also have payment options for home delivery through the app. If you're curious how to promote the pharmacy app and text messaging services, there's a few prompts below. There will be flyers at the point of sale and with mailed out prescriptions. We can send these reminders when we have phone discussions with patients. When patients pick up their medication, we can prompt at that time as well. There's also marketing material at curbside and in the lobby to help promote the app and text messaging services for our patients. When patients apply for pharmacy assistance through Nebraska Medicine, we'll also talk about the app and pharmacy and text messaging to help with more routine communication. Here's a helpful link. On the front of our Enterprise RX homepage, there's an NMRX app, frequently asked questions link. Once you click on that, it takes you to a very helpful Nebraska Medicine Pharmacy help page. There's questions about text messaging, the app, the web pharmacy, family care, prescriptions and refill, account creation. These questions can be answered for yourself or for patients. Follow the link to learn more. Thank you.